about word games? I don't know. I like geography games, no. However, there could, like, people might be, like, what if there was a trivia game? I bet there's one of those, too. But also, I don't want people to be like, hey, so glad to be in the stream. I'm like, oh, yeah? And they're like, yep, I'm here to fucking lay the smackdown on Harried Homemaker and some online whatever game we pick. And it's like, that's... No. No fighting. Harry says, my oldest is way into math. He loves patterns and numbers, heading into his 18th birthday in Calc 3. See? Thank you. Thank you for that encouragement. Joybot says, history trivia. Ew. Gross. Gross. Okay, look at that. That is our pattern. Hang on. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do? Flop around? No. We're going to pick up this entire pattern and put it into a tray. So until we're ready to put it on the thing... Hang on. Oh my god. Could there literally be more crap in this room? This has a bunch of crap on it. Doesn't matter. So this is just one of our little foil trays we use for baking things for polymer. We're going to lift up this whole sorted, not sorted, but sorted, as we've already sorted this out. Our entire sorted thing. Lift up the paper again? I know, right? Seriously, hang on. Where is the last one of those? We should look for it now. Because if it's on the floor, it is going to get run over by the chair. And soon. See, so again, this is where I'd be like, alright, time for some... I'm sorry. History trivia literally just is another name for school. Like that... That's just another name for school. It's a history test that's trying to lie about being fun. Okay, I'm just not... There we go. Found our last little buddy. Okay. Berg. Okay, so we've got our paper dimensions 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the border off of this paper. Better than Scrabble. I love Scrabble! I love Upwards, too. Have you guys ever played Upwards? Actually, here's a better question. Anyone else here a giant word nerd? Because there's Scrabble, which is, of course... And Thunder says, bananagrams. I don't know what that is. Harry says, I'm catching up on my Scrabble with Friends games now. Right? Words with Friends. I used to play that. And then, like, with our former, like, the people who we knew where we used to live. And then, because I don't play, like, the first word I see. I look at it, and I ponder, and I think, and I plan, and then I'll look again, and then I'll, like, play the, you know, most valuable word I can think of.